Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own holiday gift basket using pretty and colorful succulents and a red ceramic bowl which serves as your gift basket as well as the container. I added some really important accessories. You can add whatever you have at home that's useful here. I added garden gloves, our succulent mix, which is very useful for succulents and cacti. It drains very well. And after they finish planting these pretty succulents in this bowl, they can add this nice, very pretty and elegant jade top dressing. So let me go through very quickly with some of these really pretty succulents here. They're very festive looking. This is a Christmas cactus. These are blooming pink, red and pink Kalanchoe bosphordania. This is Echeverry harmsii, has reddish orange flowers. This is Aeonium kiwi, and this is a really pretty ghost plant with pink edges. The last thing you want to include, which is really important, is to have a care sheet. This is a care sheet, how to care for your cacti and succulents. So they'll find that quite handy and useful after they finish planting this container garden. Now my sister's going to actually show you how to wrap this garden using candy cane clear cellophane wrap. So you can actually see this pretty gift basket that you put together for your family or friend. And we recommend wrapping this a few days before you actually give this to them because they're living plants and they do need good air circulation. Here we added a really pretty red festive bow, a nice big bow to make it colorful and special for your plant lover. You can tape the sides if you like, or you can leave it open. So this is your do-it-yourself holiday gift basket that you can give to a family or friend. Thank you for watching.